Did you know there's a guy who literally got his own custom heaven because his teacher said no? So King Trishanku wants to go to heaven in his physical body, like with his skin and bones and everything. His guru Vasishta's like, dude, that's not how death works. You die first, then heaven. Trishanku fires him on the spot and hires his rival Viswamitra, who basically goes, hold my beer. This madman performs a massive sacrifice that launches Trishanku toward heaven like a human rocket ship, and it works. Trishanku actually makes it to heaven's gates, still breathing, but the gods take one look and boot him back to earth like a cosmic bouncer. Viswamitra catches him mid-fall and goes, you know what? Fine, and just creates an entirely new heaven, out of pure spite, where Trishanku hangs upside down forever in his own personal paradise. The man got exactly what he wanted in the most monkey's paw way possible. Hindu mythology really said pity-guru rivalries can literally reshape reality.